Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool LID part #W11101059. The Whirlpool LID part #W11101059 is a replacement lid for Whirlpool washers. It is made of durable plastic and is designed to fit a variety of Whirlpool washer models. The lid has a handle for easy opening and closing, and it also features an airtight seal to keep water from leaking out of the washer. The lid also has a built-in filter to help keep lint and other debris from entering the washer. This part is an OEM, original equipment manufacturer, part, meaning it is made by the same company that made the original part for your appliance. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement lid for Whirlpool washing machines. It is used to replace a broken or damaged lid and can help to fix issues such as the lid not closing properly, the lid not staying closed, or the lid not locking. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by unplugging the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Open the dryer door and locate the screws that hold the top panel in place. Remove these screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. 3. Lift up on the top panel to remove it from the dryer. 4. Locate the old lid and remove it by unscrewing any screws that are holding it in place. 5. Place the new lid into position and secure it with screws, if necessary. 6. Replace the top panel and secure it with screws, if necessary. 7. Plug in the power cord and test your new lid to make sure it is W. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips. If you want to order residential appliance parts.